My son and his wife bought a house, and they almost immediately started having problems with the basement flooding. They fixed the damage and were just sure it was never going to happen again. And then the basement flooded again. So I thought, I'm going to fix this basement. Everybody knows that Thrasher does good work. Everybody knows that Thrasher's the group you call when you need your basement or your foundation fixed or your home reviewed. But what everybody doesn't know, and what I didn't know until that day, was that Thrasher isn't just fixing foundations. Thrasher's fixing people's lives. When the group was there, I can still remember standing in the driveway and saying, you all have no idea what you've done for this family, because we don't have to worry about this. The whole thing just was beyond expectations. The team that came were enthusiastic and kind and funny and problem solvers. I mean, I would hope that when they went home that day, they went home feeling like they had eased people's lives. And if they didn't, to all of those people who were there that day, you made our lives so much better.